everyone, that's me Fairy Elfie. In this video I want to dedicate for Mai Khao Beach where I stayed for this vacation. Very lovely and usually not that crowded, but in my last day here, suddenly here is so much people. But anyway, it won't stop me to sunbathing and swimming naked. I just don't care.
Mai Khao Beach is probably one of the longest beaches on Phuket Island. It's laying over 11 kilometers. The beach is considered one of the quietest because there are very few hotels and villages along it. Mostly while walking along the coast, people can be only found near the hotels. Many people are lazy to walk far, so on this beach you can comfortably sunbathe and swim nude. Also, the beach is quite wide and has small sandy hills where you can hide from prying eyes. The beach consists of fairly fine sand, perfect for walking barefoot. If you like building sand castles, this beach is perfect for you. The sand is mostly clean, but sometimes you can find litter or shells in it. As I have already mentioned, there are very few people on the beach. Therefore, moving a bit farther away from the hotel zone, you can find a secluded spot for any naughty deeds. Mainly during walking along the beach, I only encountered fishermen and crab catchers, not tourists. But I would not recommend walking too far along the beach on a sunny day without water and head covering. The tides and ebbs on the beach are also quite strong. Sometimes during the day, the water level changes drastically. Perhaps this is the one reason why the slope of the beach is such a steep angle, resembling a dune or small hill.
Water here is just amazing. It's super warm, super clean, and so nice. Beach, please. No, I mean, that's a very nice bottom. Very soft, without any rocks. Very soft, and I just love it. Waves are very soft. I really love this. I'm just enjoying.
One of my favorite activities on the beach was wave riding. Sometimes the waves were strong enough to carry me several meters. But you should be careful because sometimes the waves were too high and strong. A couple of times I was completely submerged by water. If you are not a strong swimmer, it's best not to enter the water during such waves. But mostly I swam every day, even in the rain. Perhaps the most beautiful thing about the beach is its sunsets. In general, the whole atmosphere on the beach is filled with chill and relaxation. But the sunsets are just stunning. To get specific beach spot, it's best to use the paths that run along the beach. The shade from the trees will help to protect you from blazing sun, and the solid ground will make walking much more comfortable and faster than on sand. Moreover, this way you can find interesting places for photography or relaxation. If you want to get even farther away from civilization, you can take a walk in the jungles. But if you're very relaxed and don't want to walk, there are tuk-tuks. They will help you get to the shop, hotel, or to one of the most famous spots on the beach. Mai Khao Beach is famous not only for lane and tranquility, but also for airplanes. At the end of the beach is the Phuket International Airport. Many tourists come here to take photos with the plane in the background. But I must warn you that it can be dangerous. Sometimes planes fly very low and create a very strong wind and noise. This wind can lift sand or small stones and even carry your belongings into the sea. But perhaps these crazy shots are worth it. In conclusion, Mai Khao Beach is a wonderful place for relaxation and solitude. If you are tired of people, be sure to visit this magnificent beach. I love it a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to put like under this video and leave a comment.
Very surprised, there are so many people who do sport in the morning. Oh, a doggy. And I see there is another one dog. Yesterday one dog licked my face. I was so pleased with that. I love animals and I love dogs. I miss my Beam a lot. And I'm really surprised how many people here in the early morning doing sport. Like, I'm very surprised because it's like 7 a.m. and they are all running